Is this Doug?
Yes, it is.
Doug, this is Scott Brand from the Colorado Springs Police Department Homicide Division. Do you have a second?
Sure. What's up?
I need to talk to you about a Sabrina.
Okay. Is she okay?
Do you know a Sabrina?
Yeah, she's my fiancée.
Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah. Doug, you could be in grave danger.
What do you mean?
Do you know if this line is secure that we're speaking on right now?
As far as I know.
I'm calling you to warn you that your fiancé, as you know, spent some time here in Colorado.
Right.
And we can't prove it, but I wanted to call and personally warn you.
Warn me.
Yes, we believe that she's past two husbands.
What? You can't be talking about my fiancé.
She's 5'6", short brown hair,